What did you say?
So I like the little helicopter.
Is there? Little, oh, cute.
Little bitty helicopter. Little bitty. I'm gonna put anything on it.
Brutus. Is that fun? Tico. Is that fun? Is that fun? Oh, Brutus.
That's a yes from Brew.
What about Joshua?
Yeah, I was alright for that sort of thing. You know, nature and all that shit.
You can't say the S word on the video, honey.
Why?
Because everybody's gonna want to know what we were like before.
Get over it, you little shit.
Hey! And I'll say, your daddy was perfect. He never swore, ever.
Got it.
And your mommy was beautiful. Her whole life. She wasn't pregnant at all. She carried the baby like what? Like a 16-year-old bulimic child. Love it.